Will a dark brown grout for the tiles stain the white Marcite in our pool? The coping was previously white, but we now have chestnut brown for coping. The contractor is suggesting white for the grout for the tiles, but we wanted to have grout that matched the coping. What do you recommend? And if we go with darker grout, is there anything we should be aware of?
So here's a recommendation based on my experience and based on what I have done. Stay away from a dark grout, and here's why. If you get any leaching, any water, any moisture, anything leaching through that grout, it'll start fogging and fading that grout to look very dingy and dirty, and therefore defective, like there's something wrong. Now, I wouldn't necessarily go with a white grout, but I would go with an off-white, something somewhere in between that won't show the efflorescence that happens, and that's that leaching of calcium, but will still look really good. The question as to whether it would leach onto your plaster finish, that's a great question. It depends on what grout it is, how it's done, if it's sealed or not sealed. I would say not likely that the color would bleach, but what you can get is that efflorescence, and it will really show on a dark grout. So at all costs, I know that I've learned to stay away from dark grout.